that struggles to pay for app subscriptions. What the hell? Guess that's somebody riding four-wheelers. How rude. Listen, if you are someone that's struggling to pay for app subscriptions but wanting to create professional looking content, you came across the right video. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you powerful ways you can use CapCut Pro for free. Free 99. If you are struggling on how to edit, how to get started, and how just to be organized, you came to the right channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you won't miss any uploads that I will do. Let's get into the video. We are going to be using Pinterest for just a second. I'll go over to Pinterest. I have it up in my phone already. So what you want to type in Pinterest is luxury living room photos. And why I say photos is because if you don't put photos or videos of what you're looking for, it's going to bring up all kind of ads and all kind of videos that you're just going to get aggravated. So let's just stick to photos. So we're going to type in or click on luxury living room photos. Okay. And then you're going to stroll through and see what backgrounds you love and just go ahead and click on it. I kind of like this one. So what you want to do when you are searching in Pinterest and you love a video so much, you want to slide it down just a hair and you want to take a screenshot of it. I like to edit it right here, right now, before it saves to my photos. So let's go ahead and resize this a little bit. And we're going to press done, save to photos. Let's head over to CapCut. Okay, let's type in CapCut. There it goes. Okay, so CapCut is opening. So you want to click on add new project. As you see, I do not have CapCut Pro at this moment, but I do have it once I pay for my subscriptions. As I said in my video, I'm tired of paying for app subscriptions. So let's get it for free now. For a little while. God dog it. Let's go over to photos. I have two photos. I kind of like this one. But since I screenshot this one with you guys, I will use this one. Let's go ahead and click add. Okay. So you see how I did a video for us. What you want to do is go ahead and click to the end and add it just a little bit longer. Okay. And then you want to export it. I have my TikTok hook. Oh no, baby. Oh no, baby. No music. Booty shorts. Yes. You stay for long. Yes. Oh no, I gotta get monetized, baby. No. So let's go back to CapCut. No music, no music. So now the video that we just screen recorded from the beginning to the end, you would re-upload the same background video back to CapCut. We would then hit overlay and then find the video that we had earlier. Hit remove BG, hit auto remove, and then that will auto remove the background. Adjust yourself as you're liking to fit the screen. Click on the background and adjust the background as well. And then I'm going to click off of it and let y'all hear the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you powerful ways you could use CapCut Pro for free. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to blurring out the background. Click on effects and then we're going to type in blur. B-L-U-R. We're going to click on that and then we're going to delete the purple area. And then I'm going to show you how to adjust the blur background. Now we have the background blurred. Okay. And then we're going to click on the effects and we're going to find the blur and then we're going to adjust it. And you see how it can go from 0 to none to a little blur. 0, blur. Little bit, blur. We just want it slightly blurred like that. Okay? So now we have the background blurred. Okay? So now we have the video blurred. The next step is to get this downloaded for free. We will screen record the whole thing. My screen recording is on. So, and then you just screen record the entire video from the beginning to the end. Okay? And then you want to stop the screen recording and then hit the X button to cancel the entire thing. Then we're going to re-upload it and I'm going to show you how to enhance your sound for free using CapCut Pro. And any excess parts of the video, you can just delete it out the video. Click on it, press split, and then hit delete. You can hit delete with the CapCut logo, and now you have a whole video for free with the Pro effects added to your video. So now we have the entire video background blurred and changed. And then I want to show y'all how to enhance your audio. For those of you that's struggling to either buy mics or a camera, y'all don't need anything of that. As long as y'all have me and have all these free tools that we can use, I'm going to show you how you can enhance and get these crispy looking beautiful content. Okay, so let's get into it. Because I'm inside CapCut. I already have my video uploaded. I have my background blurred. I have me cropped out and I changed my background. So we got all that. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the video and we're going to slide until we see enhance voice. We're going to click on that and we're going to click allow. And what that will do, we will turn on that enhance sound. Whatever sound that you wanting, if that's your voice or your music, whatever you want to enhance, we're going to enhance that. It is loading. Once it gets to up to 100%. Today I'm going to be sharing with you powerful ways you could use CapCut Pro for free, so you could upscale your. Ooh, baby, that voice sounds so much better. I don't sound far away. I don't hear nothing in the background. I hear just me, baby. And you already know what we're going to do next. We are going to, you know it, screen record this and then let this video play, and we're going to screen record this video and then we're going to re-upload it. So, today I'm going to be sharing with you powerful ways you could use CapCut Pro for free so you could upscale your content to start generating income, and I'm giving this away for free $99. Alright, so now since you screen recorded it from the beginning to the end with the enhanced voice on, what we will do is mute the entire video. Let's go to enhance mode and turn it off, since you just screen recorded your enhanced voice on in your sound. Okay, then we're going to hit back. We're going to go to add audio, and then we're going to go to extract. Okay, we're going to hit extract, and we're going to find the video that we just screen recorded with just the enhanced voice on. Okay, we're going to add that to the sound. Now what you need to do is match it up with your voice. Okay, mine's is kind of like all over the place. Let me see. Today I'm going to be sharing. Okay, all right, and then you want to press split and then click on the other video before that and delete that. You want to hold at the tip and slide it all the way to the beginning to match up your mouth. Okay, so let's see. We have muted our video and we cut out what we needed to cut out, and then I'm going to be sharing with you powerful ways you could use. There you go. Now you know how to use the enhanced voice in CapCut for free. It's Pretty Girl Mia. Pretty Girl Mia.